Okay, so for the first outfit, I had a black tank top, and that was from Target. And actually I wore it, so it's in the wash right now, so I can't show that to you. But I was wearing these universal thread shorts. My favorite shorts. They're in a size 20. I believe I bought them last year. They're a really good length. They have some distressing on them, but not a whole bunch. And sometimes I will roll them up like one more, or I'll leave them down. And lately I've just been leaving them down because I'm loving the longer denim short look. So I paired that with navy flannel. This one is in a size extra large, and it's a boyfriend fit. And I just love this flannel. I feel like this is like perfect for fall and even for winter. I'll wear it in the winter time too. But this buffalo check, absolutely my favorite. For the shoes, I paired it with my Steve Maddens. These are the platform ones. I believe these are called Gillis or Gills. They have the like snakeskin type leather on them, and I'm not gonna lie, these took a bit to break in, and they have like a little bit of a platform on them. Give me blisters to begin with. So my Dr. Scholl's ones like this, but they're just like in a, they're not leather, but they're like fabricy type. They're a lot more comfortable. So honestly, I would probably go for the Dr. Scholl's over these Steve Madden ones if you don't want to have time to break them in. And I believe I got a size, these ones are 7.5. Okay, so okay, so for the next outfit, I just kept on that same tank top from Target and the shorts from Target, and I put on an Old Navy sweater. Hi, it's editing me. Apparently on this segment or clip, the audio got all messed up. So what I was saying was I kept the same tank top on from Target and the shorts on from Target, and I put on a cardigan that was like a taupey khaki color from Old Navy, and that one's in a size extra large. And those sweaters they have every single year, so you can get some sort of like long boyfriend type sweater if you have it in your closet already, or any sort of cardigan you can put on with it. And then I paired it with those same those Steve Madden sandals that are really popular this year, that have the square toe, that are super, super comfortable. I wear them with pretty much everything. If I'm not wearing my Birkenstocks, I'm wearing those to dress up any sort of outfit. So, okay, on to the next one. Okay, for the third outfit, I wore this super cute Old Navy swing dress. This dress will look good on anybody, and they have the same dress this year. I was just there a few weeks ago. They still have this. They don't have the same like print, but they have the same style of dress. And then you can wear that same taupey beigey color sweater with that. That would be really cute. Or I showed it with a Levi denim jacket, and I invested in that jacket probably like 2 or 3 years ago, and I checked and they still have that same denim jacket. It has some stretch in it, and I got a size 2X in that, and it fits really good. So I paired that with those same sandals, those same Steve Madden sandals that are super cute. Or you can wear some sort of booties, and you can actually wear a higher, I'm looking over at my shoes to see if I have a higher walk heel booty that would be super cute. But I did pair them with these Koolaburra by UGG booties. These I've had for a couple years, and I believe I got these in a size 8. These are a staple in my wardrobe. I will wear these to death. These and then also I love these Tom ones, and they're just like, if you look, they're just like slightly a different color. Like this is like a little bit more cooler and this is warmer, but I wear also these ones. Those ones would look good also, but I paired them with these. That's super cute. So, and then fourth outfit, I had those Amazon leopard bike shorts, and you compare it with any sort of sweatshirt. This one is from Walmart, and they have the same sweatshirt this year. I was just there, so this Time and True from Walmart is in a size 2X, and I have a couple of these. I wear these to death. So you compare that with that, and then you can either wear the Steve Madden shoes, or I didn't show this in the video, but these Adidas ones would be really, really cute also. These are my Swift runs, and these are in a size 7.5. I had to go a half size smaller, but I have 3 pairs of these Swift runs. These are my favorite for Adidas. Okay, so the next outfit is I styled a graphic tee with some jeans and some booties. That graphic tee is, I actually wore it last week also, so it's actually in the wash also. I got that from the Little Outpost, and they actually have a website. It's called shopthelittleoutpost.com. I got it when I was in South Dakota, but I paired it with these Madewell jeans. Now, Madewell is expensive, I'm gonna admit, but their jeans last forever, and I will wait for a sale. So these skinny ones, I believe I have a couple pairs of Madewell ones. These are the Row Trippers, and these are in a size 36. So these are my favorite jeans. And I paired it with those same booties that I wore with the dress, the Kookaburra ones. You could actually use any sort of graphic tee. And also, if you needed a warmer style, you could actually put like a black jean jacket with that. That would be so cute. Weighted black jean jacket and put a bunch of jewelry on, and like this, let me see, this bag. This would be really cute with that, or even like this Daisy Rose bag would be super cute. And then the next outfit I have for you is I paired the Mizella leggings, like Mizella leggings that I get from the Nordstrom anniversary sale I've had for a couple years, and I paired it with that same black tank top from Target, and then that utility jacket is, that burgundy one is from Old Navy. And that's in a size XXL, and I wear that thing to death during the fall. And then I paired it with, I apparently like Steve Madden shoes and I didn't know it, but I paired it with these slides. I love these slides. If I want to dress up any outfit, just like basic leggings and a sweater, I'll wear these slides. And these are like a suede material. I think I got these in a 7.5. But any sort of slides, I know Target has the slides that are super cute. They have them every single year, and those would be really cute also. So those are a couple ideas you can do for the fall. I always love to use clothes from my closet and transition them into a different season. That way you're like repurposing clothes that you already have. You don't have to go out and buy a bunch of things to transition into a different season. So if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.